come out of sin first. Wholehearted. There's nothing to enjoy in sin. If I was not somebody that came from the dark side, you can tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. I've been there, I've done that. I know say nothing there inside. Satan will just mess your life, waste your time, waste your energies, waste your life. It got to a point I even told the Lord, even if you don't want to give me any woman to marry, I don't deserve any of your daughters. I was damaged goods, mind damaged. I will kneel down to pray as I want to ascend pictures of naked breast because pornography had damaged my mind. People will see me crying in prayer. They didn't know I was in warfare. Touch my mind. Show me mercy. I want to pray now. We are begging you now. Don't look at naked pictures you think you are enjoying. When Satan will start with you, we wish you never took 2 minutes to look at that. He will put a yoke on